And in the wrestler Nisha murder case, the Haryana police have now arrested 2 more people. This includes Nisha Yadav's coach and his aide. The duo were arrested from Dwarka. Let me go across to my colleague Alok, who is joining us for more on this. Alok, so it was the coach who was the main accused and suspect in this case. How exactly was he traced?
Well, yes, because Pawan, who is the main accused in this wrestler murder case, remember Nisha and her brother were shot dead, and their mother was also received bullet injuries in Sonipat, one of the akhadas, and this akhada was being run by this main accused Pawan. Remember, after the incident, there was violence happened in Sonipat, and immediately Haryana police had announced ₹1 lakh cash reward for the arrest of Pawan, who was the main accused, and his associate, one of the associate who is identified as Sachin. So both were hiding at different locations so that they could evade their arrest. But finally, Delhi Police Special Cell, which is anti-terrorist squad, their members finally managed to nab him from Dwarka's area, they both were arrested today morning, and one pistol has also been recovered, although it is a licensee pistol, but the license was in fact was of Haryana, so he won't be allowed to take the pistol all across the country. So that is why one Arms Act has also been registered at a special cell. Both will be produced before the court, and what we are learning that they will be later taken into the custody of the Haryana police for their further investigation. What we are learning, the reason of the killing is yet to ascertain. But Delhi police sources are telling to us there was some personal reasons due to which wrestler Nisha and her brother were killed in Sonipat. Back to you.
Right. Alok, also lastly, any further details about the motive? I know, of course, there were, obviously personal reasons, but any further details that the special cell have been able to find out? Why exactly was the wrestler killed?
Well, remember, Tanima, that wrestler was getting training from this Pawan coach at his akhada for past 6 to 7 months, and there was some dispute happened between both of them, but nobody knows exactly. But the family of Nisha has claimed that the accused Pawan also trying to molest her or harass her. That perhaps is the reason of the killing. In fact, on the day when the incident had happened, Nisha called her mother to come along with her so that they could, in fact, talk on the issue with Pawan. But in the meantime, while they were, in fact, talking on the issue that was cropped up between them, in the meantime, some verbal argument happened, and what we are learning, Nisha's brother also came along with his few of the friends, and at the same time, some heated argument exchanged between both the parties, and later after that, Pawan whipped out his licensee pistol and he opened fire, in which Nisha died at the spot. Pawan, in fact, taken to the hospital. He also later succumbed to his injury, while their mother is still under treatment in the hospital.
Right, Alok, thank you so much for bringing us all these breaking updates.